students, today we are going to do some MCQs from evolution and it will be whole NCERT examiner. Okay, so let's get started. Which of the following is used as an atmospheric pollution indicator? Okay, so pollution indicator are, as you already know, that pollution indicators are lichens. Okay. The theory of spontaneous generation states that life can arise from non-living things only. Okay. Animal husbandry and plant breeding programs are examples of artificial selections as is done by humans. Okay. Paleontological evidences for evolution refers to fossils. Fossils for paleontological evolution evidences. Okay. The bones of four limbs of whale, bat, cheetah and man are similar in structure because they share a common ancestry. They are similar in structure but different in function. So, okay. Analogous and homologous. So, the previous question is example of homologous organ as they are similar in structure but different in functions. But analogous, what we say that they are different in structure but similar in functions. Okay. So analogous organs arises due to convergent evolution. Analogy is due to convergent evolution and homology is due to divergent evolution. Okay. You can learn it by HD. Okay. Like homologous is by divergent evolution and analogy is by convergent evolution. P plus Q whole square equal to P square plus 2PQ plus Q square equal to 1 represents an equation used in population genetics. Okay. Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, where P square is for homozygous and Q square is for recessive and P square is for dominant and 2PQ is for heterozygous. Okay. Appearance of antibiotic resistance bacteria is an example of divergent evolution. Homology and divergent evolution, HD. Okay, learn it by HD. One minute, it was incorrect. Its answer is C. Pre-existing variations in the population. Appearance of antibiotic resistant bacteria is an example of pre-existing variations in the population. And this one's answer is water to land. Evolution of life shows that life forms had traveled a trend of moving from water to land. They move from water towards the land, from aquatic to terrestrial. Okay. Viviparity is considered to be more evolved because the young ones are protected inside the mother's body and are looked after they are born, leading to more chances of survival. Okay, as we are human beings and we are having a gestation period of 9 months in which we grow and develop inside a mother's wombs, and it protects us inside the mother's womb, but you can see like there are many animals like clone fishes, they are not inside, they so external fertilization, so the baby which developed it is in outer environment and they are not protected, they could be eaten by the sharks, as you have seen this in the Finding Dory and the Finding Nemo movie. Have you seen that movie? Fossils are generally found in Sedimentary rocks. Fossils are generally found in sedimentary rocks. Okay. For the Mn blood group system, the frequency of M and N alleles are 0.7 and 0.3 respectively. The expected frequency of Mn blood group bearing organism is likely to be 42%. How? Let's see. As here M equal to 0.7 and N is equal to 0.3, so it is we have to find for Mn. So when 2pq, we will do 2 into 0.7 into 3, so it will be 2 into 20, 2 into 21, that is 42%. Okay, like this you can see 2, 1 minute, 2pq equal to 2 into 0.7 into 0.3, which is equal to 0.42 or equal to 42%. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, which type of selection of melanism is observed in moth by Bitson Betullaria? It's directional. Okay, in one direction all the things is going. The most accepted line of descent in human evolution is Ramapithecines, Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Homo sapiens. So what we have learned is, firstly, the Ramapithecines, Dryopithecines, then Australopithecines, then Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, then Homo sapiens, and then Homo sapiens sapiens. What we are Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, so firstly is Ramapithecines, then Dryopithecines, then Australopithecines, and then Homo habilis, which were vegetarian, and then Homo erectus, which eat meat, and then Neanderthals, which used to bury their dead bodies and live in huts, and then it is Homo sapiens, and we are Homo sapiens sapiens, and about 10,000 years ago agriculture started. Okay. Which of the following is an example of linked species? So, lobefish, an example of linked species. Lobefish. Okay. Match the scientists listed under column A and ideas listed in column B. So the answer would be B, that is 1's P and 2's M and 3's N and 4O. That is, Darwin has given evolution by natural selection, and Oparin has given abiogenesis, and Lamarck has given use and disuse of organs, as in giraffe, that they are bearing long necks because they graze on the long trees. Okay, and Wagner gives continental drift theory, and drift occurs in a small population, so that natural selection, migration, drift, etc., leads to the variations in the gene, and they are exception to the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Okay, so in 1953, S.L. Miller created primitive earth conditions in the laboratory and gave experiments evidences for origin of first form of life from pre-existing non-living organisms molecules. The primitive earth conditions include high temperature, volcanic storms, reducing atmosphere is the main. Reducing atmosphere containing CH3 and NH3, methane and ammonia. Okay. Variations during mutation Variations during mutations of meiotic recombinations are random and directionless. What random and directionless? Okay, so all the best for NEET 2021 to all of you.